Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage unwanted orders on the GNC site, as direct cancellation is generally not possible. Once you click Send My Order for a standard purchase, GNC's system processes it for shipment almost immediately. This efficient process means there is no online button or direct method to cancel or modify your order after it has been placed. Given that direct cancellation is not an option for standard orders, the only way to handle an unwanted purchase is through their return policy. Once you receive your order, you can return most items within 30 days from the original order date. GNC accepts returns both in store and by mail, ensuring you can receive a full refund for the purchase price. There is an important exception for subscription orders, which offer greater flexibility. If you have a Subscribe to Save order, you can manage it directly through your GNC account. Simply log in, go to the My Account page, and select Subscriptions. From there, you have the option to cancel a specific upcoming shipment or pause your entire subscription with just a few clicks. To minimize the need for cancellations, always double-check your order details before completing your purchase. If you have any urgent concerns about an order, contacting GNC customer service directly is always recommended. They can provide guidance on specific situations. Remember to keep your order number handy and document any interactions for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.